Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to uninstall your Razer Synapse 4 completely from your PC. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you there are several methods, but I'm going to tell you very easy method. So first of all you need to open control panel. So you need to open your control panel. Now you need to go to on program and features, and once you click on program and feature you will see there are two options like Razer Synapse and Razer Chrome. Okay, so you have to uninstall one by one, and once you select your program there is an option like uninstall. You need to click on this option, and once you completely remove this you need to restart your PC, and then you will see this software Razer Synapse 4 is not exist in your PC. Okay, and if you are facing any issue related to uninstallation, if you are not able to uninstall your you can like Razer Synapse, then what you have to do, you need to restart your PC and then you need to try this method. Okay, because in some cases some files is running in the background, so that's why the program is not able to uninstall completely. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you need to restart your PC, and then when you will try to uninstall your Razer Synapse, it will completely remove you from your PC. Okay, so this is the method. Now if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.